Hey everybody, Molly here from my channel Molly Fits Brown, and we are so super excited because today is Patrick's birthday. Patrick is 12 years old and 7th grade just started, and we are here at Hollywood Studios to celebrate. So I don't know what we're gonna do yet. It's gonna be all up to Patrick. Patrick gets to choose. We're staring at some really big storms around us. I know the storms are gonna be coming. We drove through some on the way here, so here we go. It's gonna be a wet one, but we're ready to have some fun. All right, woo!
Show the Tower of Terror real quick. It really gives it a bad vibe.
Woo. The clouds, the super dark storm makes it seem scarier. Patrick got his food in. We had to stop right away and get a button, and we got a celebrating Patrick's birthday. And look who's right here celebrating, waiting. Donald! We are here, the big fire with Mickey. Okay, let's go wave at Donald. Donald! We got a birthday boy!
It's my birthday, Donald.
Birthday!
I'm turning 12.
Woo! No driving yet! No driving yet! So close! So close! Alright, we are here on Hollywood Boulevard. Walking down towards Mickey's ride. Oh, and Starbucks is over here. I might need to hit up the Starbucks. We found Edna and the Frozone. Wow, he's cool. He's all like frozen, like he's shooting out his ice. I finally found where they have the Mickey shorts and Potato Land. Here it is. It's Potato Land. Finally found it. Now you get to see the potato and another little set and a little panda. All right, we just found Potato Land, and now Patrick's first pick.
Star Tours.
Star Tours, 5-minute wait. Who can beat that? So here we go. That looks like the ride you sit in, kind of. Hello.
Arthur, that reminds me. Let's run a diagnostic on the Candroid.
All right, so we are getting a little bit of rain and some drizzles, but we are heading down to Tower of Terror. There it is, the Hollywood Tower Hotel. We are here getting some pizza at the Cantina Eddie. And birthday boy.
I went up to order. She said, "Oh, happy birthday! You're turning 12. Guess what? We have an exclusive for birthday people only. A
special Disney magic birthday treat. Awesome!
It's a literal cupcake. It's so cool. I don't know how to put it.
Wow! See the cat and Lightyear. Oh, and look at this little cat, the cute fuzzy one. All right, so we are here inside of a Toy Story store, and there's just so much Toy Story stuff everywhere. All right, so I just went through Starbucks, got this delicious double chocolate chip frozen blended drink, and we're looking at Mickey or Rise of the Resistance. So let's see where we end up next. Star Wars first, it looks like. Here we come.
So we're gonna do the Star Wars ride again, Rise of the Resistance. It was really cool. I want to experience it again. It's gonna be amazing.
It was awesome.
It was the coolest experience.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there.
You're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Look, BB-8's about to fly.
Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiating replay sequence on deck 3 for...
You want to go to the back or the front? Front, right here?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got a company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Right to a blue flag. We got a clear path so transport can make a jump.
We lost Red 2. More incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Is under the command of General Hux in the First Order. You will disembark and head down the right corridor for interrogation. Now, all of you, get out.
here, guys. Whoa.
2 along the wall, single file. How many?
It's my birthday. I don't care. Okay, stand over the color you're assigned to. So we need some red.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
Watch the wall.
It's alright, we're with the resistance, so we're here to rescue you. Come this
Right,
way.
that's right, all this is the way out because you have to get to the
Ray will be
safety.
on the left.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are If anyone's backing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's the boss! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad. You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed. Hey, the resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? That doesn't sound good.
Logan! Alright, so I just got off Rise of the Resistance with Patrick. It was amazing again. And now Tommy has gone back on with Patrick. And me and Logan are going to run over to Mickey's Runaway Railway and get in line so we can ride that one next. So here we go, lots more fun. Woohoo!
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how we're gonna make it happen.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect day. We'll sing a song and absolutely nothing will go wrong.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who? Me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, I guess so, Goofy. That sounds like fun.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
All right, friends, give me just a moment here to make sure it's safe for us to head into the party.
Just out of Patrick. Single file.
Remain seated and be sure to keep a watchful eye on you.
Oh, there they are!
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Yeah?
Hey, Mick and Mim. Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, I'm working on the
Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Right around the park.
My favorite part. Oh, the Mickey fireworks.
Hey,
There they are.
told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I know somehow. I'll be there. Nothing can stop us now.
Birdie, oh, it's blowing kisses with little hearts. So we just got off Mickey's Runaway Railway. Awesome ride, one of Logan's favorite rides of all time. Favorite ride, he says now, of all the Disney parks. So we definitely love that. It said that it was a 50-minute wait, but it was not. It was closer to like a 35, 40-minute wait. Rise of the Resistance said 95 minutes, and it was like a 25, 30-minute wait. So everything's been a lot shorter. Maybe it was the rain that scared some of the people off. We have had a lot of showers. Oh, here's the Pluto, Donald, Mickey, Goofy. Oh, a castle. Spooky castle. That's cute. That is cute. The Goofies, the Mickeys, and I don't see the Minnies here. Oh my goodness. Minnie. That is so cute. Look, Tommy. I've never seen that one. Be a good anniversary one.
I've never seen that one either.
All right, we had a wonderful time here at Hollywood Studios with the birthday boy. Thanks for joining our magical adventure.